Hey my pretty girlies, today it is all about this 24-inch water wave wig from Nadula hair. This install literally took me 10 minutes or less. Yes, you heard me correct, girl. 10 minutes or less install. That's what we need, right? Yes. So let's go ahead and get into it. So as many of you know already, I've been rocking wigs for a very long time, and the wig game has definitely changed over the years. So I can appreciate a wig that is convenient and easy to install, like this wig right here. So this wig comes with a very thin HD lace. The lace has already been plucked, the knots have already been bleached, and the lace has already been cut. So this is pretty much, again, one of those wigs that you put on and go, that has been featured on my channel so many times. But the difference is, with this wig, the lace is so thin it literally melts into my skin without putting anything on this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the headband and put this wig on. This wig does come with combs, and it also comes with like a silicone taping around the back, just to make sure the wig lays flat on your nape. Y'all, this wig looks so pretty already without me doing anything. Like literally, no glue, no spray, no defining the waves, nothing. This is crazy. Let me show you guys the cutout ear tabs real quick. So anytime a wig comes with the ear tabs already cut out or the ears carved out on the wig, this is just going to give you a more flat look on your wigs, and it's just going to also help with the wig being a lot more comfortable. I actually prefer for my wigs to come like this instead of having to cut lace and do all the extra stuff. Anyways, y'all, so the texture that you see here, or the waves that you see here, is a result of me just washing my hair and letting the hair air dry. So for this install, I'm going to be doing a middle part because this wig already comes pre-everything. This is going to be a really quick install that requires like very minimum to no effort. So I am going to start off with pulling out some of the hairs around the hairline and press out the hairline, just so that I can see how the hairline on this wig truly looks with this pre-plucked HD super thin 24-inch water wave wig. Okay, so while the lace is melting even more, I'm going to go ahead and like flatten the roots of my wig. This is one of the pro tips that Marquis, my hairstylist, told me is a secret to getting like a super flat natural install. So what you want to do is take sections of the front of your wig and apply a little bit of wax stick, because you don't want your wig to be greasy, and then go right in with the hot comb. This is going to give you a more flat install look.
I really need
it's time to take the headband off after I have pretty much gotten the roots of the wig straight and flat. So this is what the lace looks like, y'all. The lace and the hair is so nice on this wig. I really was not expecting for this wig to look this darn good. So these little hairs right here, I'm actually going to just pull them right out of the lace, just like that, girl. But make sure you're pulling tight enough so that you're getting all the hairs from the roots of the wig so that it doesn't leave like the little black dots, even though this wig does not have any black dots. But I like to do this because it keeps me from having to go in and pluck forever. So so this is what the wig is looking like so far. I did a little bit of baby hairs in the front, but this wig is super duper flat on top. The hair literally looks like it is growing out of my scalp. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So the next thing I'm gonna do is elevate the wig just one more step, which is applying concealer to the part. This is just going to emphasize the part on this wig. It's going to make it look more clean. It's going to define the part. You don't have to do this. This is totally optional. I highly recommend that you do it, but you don't have to. So. Alright y'all, so I honestly was not even going to apply any product to this hair, but I already know the company probably wants me to put product on the hair and show you girls what the hair looks like when doing such. But honestly, when you wash this hair, y'all, and y'all let it air dry, the waves on this wig is so pretty. I kid you not, you don't have to add any product. But anyways, I'm going to be using the Cantu Wavy Curly Mousse that comes in an orange bottle, and I'm only using the mousse. I'm not adding any water to my hair because I do not want my hair to be weighed down. I want the waves to stay very much present in this wig, and it is doing such that, as you girls can see.
If you cannot breathe, I need to find relief.
y'all, and this is pretty much the final look to this super quick and easy wig install. Like I told y'all at the beginning, this wig, when it comes to pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, all of the pre's, this wig definitely nailed it and understood the assignment. I literally did not have to do nothing to this wig, and it looks like it is growing out of my scalp, which is so crazy. The waves on this wig is so pretty, and the hair is so soft. This is just like a beautiful everyday wig that is low maintenance and super easy to install. Child, Ari can probably install this wig. That is just how simple Nadula hair has made this wig to be when it comes to like a put on and go type of wig. So anyways, y'all, highly recommend this wig. All of the details will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.